Thought of the day. Those who keep their eyes on the goal dedicate every moment to self-improvement. 1. Between April 2025 and March 2026, 125 new geographical indication (GI) tags were registered in India. Madhya Pradesh topped the list with 26 new GI tags during this period. Notable inclusions were Khajuraho Stonecraft and Gwalior Papier Mâché. West Bengal ranked second with 24 new tags. The country now has a total of 822 GI tags. Uttar Pradesh holds the top spot for the total number of GI tags, followed by Tamil Nadu in second place. 2. OPEC Plus nations have decided to increase crude oil production by 188,000 barrels per day starting August 2026. This decision followed the reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. The reopening of this route is expected to normalize oil supplies from countries like Saudi Arabia and Iraq. 3. The Chhota Tingrai tea estate in Assam's Tinsukia district produced the country's first matcha tea. Its inaugural batch was sold at the Guwahati Tea Auction Center for 3,000 rupees per kilogram. This tea is prepared using a Japanese technique that involves grinding tea leaves into a powder. It is rich in antioxidants. 4. ISRO successfully conducted a ground test of the SOLVE solid motor at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Designed to test the parachute system for the Gaganyaan mission's crew module, it ensures the module can land safely in the sea upon its return. This motor is an advanced version of the PSL's strap-on motor. 5. Tijan Bai, the renowned Pandavani singer from Chhattisgarh, passed away at the age of 70. She brought global recognition to Pandavani, a folk art form based on the Mahabharata. She was honored with the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan awards. She was the first female artist to perform Pandavani in the Kapalik style. 6. The bilateral investment agreement between India and Israel has come into effect. Its objective is to make investment between the two countries secure and transparent. The time frame for resolving investment-related legal disputes has now been reduced from 5 years to 3 years. Israel is the first OECD member with which India has signed such an investment treaty.